Dr. Jabo Friday is here today. I want to show you how you can capitalize your text string. Okay, proper function help you to capitalize the first letter of each word in a text string while leaving the rest of the letter in a lower case. Okay, it's useful when you are formatting names, title, or any text where proper capitalization is needed. So it's very, very useful. All right, so now we want to capitalize the first letter, okay, of this word now. So what you just need to do is just come say proper, and take the text, and you see the first letter of this word is capitalized. The first letter of this word is capitalized. All the letters, first letter in this word are capitalized. So if you take this down, say that all is being capitalized. So you could be doing some work and you just thought, okay, I needed to capitalize all the first letters of this word. So with proper function, it can just be done with ease. Okay, so this proper function will help you for data consistency, to make your data to be consistent. It will enhance readability of your text, reduce error as much as possible, and is a form of data cleansing tool. Okay, help you to clean your data properly so that you can use it for analysis. Okay, so if this video addresses your challenges and meets your needs, kindly subscribe to my channel and share it as well. Okay, so that you can always get an update from me. All right, thank you.